Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your invoice settings in the GoodX WebApp. Invoice settings allow you to tailor how invoices are generated, displayed, and processed within your practice. This includes controlling key behaviors like when invoices are created, how discounts are applied, and what billing details are required. By fine-tuning these settings, you can align your invoicing process with your practice's workflow, administrative policies, and patient billing expectations. This ensures consistency, improves accuracy, and supports a smoother financial process for both staff and patients. In this video, we'll guide you through enabling discounts, setting actions for new appointments, applying modifiers automatically, and making tooth numbers mandatory on dental billing codes. To locate the invoice settings, from the Settings screen, navigate to the Entity Settings tab, Invoice Settings panel. For more information on how to navigate to the Invoice Settings panel, please refer to the Entity Settings Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description. Let's start with enabling discounts. This setting allows you to apply a discount directly to an invoice. Tick the Enable Discounts checkbox to activate it. Once enabled, a discount field will appear on your invoice where you can reduce the price of a product or service. Next, let's look at Invoice Action on New Appointment. This setting determines how invoices behave when a new appointment is created from an existing one. Click on the Invoice Action on New Appointment drop-down menu to select your preferred option out of the 3 available choices. The Always Create a Blank Invoice option starts a brand new invoice with no copied details, while the Copy the Invoice Lines option duplicates the lines from the original invoice into the new one, and the Ask which lines to copy option allows you to choose which invoice lines to carry over. These options will help you save time while giving you full control. Next, let's set up automatic modifiers. Modifiers will only apply when billing codes that support modifiers are used, so be sure to enter the correct billing code, otherwise the modifier will not be effective. In most cases, automatic modifiers are only available to certain entity types like surgeons, anesthesiologists, hospitals, and day clinics. Click on the Add Modifier button to begin. The Apply Modifiers Automatically section will open. Click on the code field to enter the relevant billing item where the modifier will apply. Thereafter, select the relevant service center from the drop-down menu. The list will show all service centers set up in your practice. You can add multiple modifiers by clicking the Add Modifier button again. To remove a modifier, simply click the Delete button. And lastly, if you're running a dental practice, you'll love this one, the mandatory tooth numbers billing codes, which are available only to dental entities. So for this one, we'll head over to our dental entity and open the invoice settings section again. The mandatory tooth numbers billing code setting ensures that a tooth number must be added before an invoice can be posted when billing specific codes. To activate it, click on the Search Billing Code field and search for the relevant code. Select the code from the drop-down list. It will be added to the list where a tooth number is required. You can add as many codes as needed. Once you're done with your configurations, don't forget to click the Save button. And with that, we've come to the end of this tutorial video. Now you're ready to customize your invoice settings and streamline your practice's billing workflow.